Welcome to English Binglish Part 2. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's practice listening in English. Nothing is easy, nothing is free. The story of Ethan. Ethan was a young man living in a small town filled with dreams bigger than the town itself. He wanted to build a successful business and travel the world. But like many dreamers, he wanted everything instantly. He didn't want to wait. He didn't want to struggle. He wanted success served on a silver plate. One day, while walking through the market, he overheard people talking about a man named Marcus. Marcus had started with nothing, yet now he owned businesses in multiple cities and was respected by everyone in the region. Ethan thought if I could just find out Marcus's secret, I could achieve everything overnight. Determined, Ethan went to meet Marcus. The older man lived in a modest but orderly house. Ethan, full of curiosity, asked, "How did you become so successful? Was it luck or did someone help you?" Marcus looked at him carefully. "Nothing in life comes easy, Ethan. Nothing is free. Every achievement has a price time, effort, sacrifice, and sometimes failure. Life doesn't hand anything to anyone. If you want success, you must be willing to pay the cost." Ethan frowned, but there must be some shortcut, right? Some way to get success quickly? Marcus shook his head slowly. Shortcuts are illusions. You may gain something temporarily, but real success requires persistence, resilience, and hard work. Are you ready to commit to that? Ethan nodded eagerly, though he did not fully understand what he was promising himself. The next morning, Ethan began his journey. He woke up before sunrise, worked tirelessly, studied new skills, and forced himself beyond his comfort zone. But reality hit him hard. His first business attempt failed miserably. Investors backed out, friends laughed at him, even his family doubted him at times. He felt exhausted, frustrated, and sometimes wanted to give up entirely. Yet each failure taught him something new. Every mistake was a lesson. Every setback was a test of his determination. Slowly, Ethan learned that nothing worthwhile in life came easily. He had to be disciplined, patient, and willing to endure discomfort. He worked nights, skipped parties, and focused relentlessly on his goal. He always remembered Marcus's words, "Nothing is easy, nothing is free." Through every struggle, Ethan began to grow stronger, not just in skill, but in character. He learned humility from failure, resilience from rejection, and wisdom from every obstacle. Every small win became a milestone, and every milestone fueled his determination to keep going. This sets the stage for Ethan's eventual success. His long journey of struggle, persistence, and growth shows that the path to achievement is never easy or free, and that enduring hardships is part of the price for real success. Nothing is easy, nothing is free. A motivational story that inspires hard work, patience, and determination for anyone chasing their dreams. Thank you, my dear subscriber, for being here with me. Your support means everything to me. I hope this story touched your heart. Until next time, keep learning, keep practicing, keep growing, and never stop believing in the power of consistent daily action. Share this video with someone who needs to hear this message. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.